Hi friend, I'm Olga Koelsch and welcome to my studio. I know that sooner or later you could come to a point and think, maybe it's time to sell my beautiful art, but how and where? These questions will certainly come up to your mind or already came. I will walk you through today 5 very interesting, very well organized marketplaces where you could sell your art. So, let's start. Popular marketplace is Etsy.com, where you could sell all kind of crafts, including your original arts. You could say watercolor arts, but the same way you could sell your oil art or pastel art or any craft you have. It's very convenient marketplace. You just need to create your own shop, your own profile, and then upload pictures and just start and go. Fees are very moderate. Basic fees could vary from 15 to 25% of commissions, which includes placing your art, marketing, advertisement, a lot of different things. What I like about Etsy, you could set your price, you could be very flexible with the price, you could choose different options, size-wise, color-wise, and it's a great opportunity to start. On the minus side, I would mention that it's a high competitive marketplace, and also there is kind of dumping happening there. You could find, for example, artworks for $12, which is, I think, insanely cheap for an artwork. But other than that, it's worth to try. Personal favorite marketplace to sell art is Artfinder. It's a beautiful marketplace which has a great marketing team. They always create something new, something interesting to promote artists. Also, you could set up your marketing program by yourself. They accept all kinds of art, paintings, prints, photography, sculptures. Paintings could be oil, could be pastel, could be watercolor, and they have different sections. And look who is here among popular artists in Norway. That's pleasant. Let's go to my account. So see, here you could organize your artworks and upload different views of your artwork, a little bit close up, artwork in the interior. You could set up price, you could set up postal costs and many other things. Another great thing about Artfinder is that they allow commission artworks, which means a customer could commission you for a special artwork. For example, a customer see, oh, I love this flower, but unfortunately, or fortunately for artists, it's sold out, but I want similar one. And they go in to contact you, and you could accept their offer and create another art for them. It works pretty well and pretty convenient. Commission fees are about 30%, which is a fair price to my opinion. So I would definitely recommend you to try Artfinder as well. It's a great marketplace. It's very similar to Artfinder. To my opinion, it towards a little bit too oil painting. A little bit more complicated to find your way with watercolor, but it's all possible. I saw here a lot of talented, beautiful artists here and successful artists, so you could try this out. The principle of work is similar to Artfinder. You upload your art, you could set up your price, and commissions are about 35%, so definitely worth to try it out. I guess everybody has an Instagram nowadays, and it's a perfect place to sell your original art here. You probably have already an account, and maybe it's personal account. So if you want to sell your art, it's time to turn it into a professional account, which means to focus on your art content. For example, you could post artwork in process, you could post artwork framed, you could post some inspirational things. Many other things. I often get my custom orders or inquiries to sell my original art just through direct mails here. It's very easy, it's very fun to run Instagram. You get a lot of engagement, followers, and it's very easy, and the plus side, no commissions. So try it out. Everybody could buy everything where? On Amazon, including your original artworks. The place where to sell original artworks a little bit hidden, I will walk you through. So first you go to Amazon Handmade, then shop by category, and then home decor, and then artwork. And here you could sell prints, photographs, and paintings. You see, price variety is very different. Amazon takes about 15-20% of commission. You need to create your account and upload pictures, so the same procedure as everywhere else. I think it's work better for USA, but hopefully it will soon get very used and common in other countries. So another thing to try. Thank you very much for watching. I hope you find inspiration and you will start right away to register on these marketplaces. Also, feel free to leave in comments maybe you know another great marketplace, and happy to share. I think it will be a huge use for everybody. Thank you for watching, subscribe my channel, and see you next time. Bye bye.